today is the day. So yes, today is the day we are installing my Momo steering wheel. I know this is going to be kind of a boring vlog, kind of a boring video of me doing it, but let's get the car unwrapped and let's do what I've been waiting 3 months to do. Alright, so before we really get into taking off the old wheel, we need to make sure that the whole column is straight, otherwise the wheel that I put on is not going to be straight. Uninstalling a 944 wheel is actually super easy. The pad just comes off. Take that bolt out and the whole wheel should come off. Alright, so we broke loose the bolt and now all we gotta do is unscrew it the rest of the way. Now we're gonna make sure that the steering wheel is in fact straight one last time, so when we put the new one on, it comes out straight. And just like that, the old steering wheel comes off, and a cool little nitbit is it actually says Audi and Volkswagen right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect one of the cables from the battery, just so when I go ahead and put the new steering wheel on, I don't keep hitting the horn. Now that we've got the steering wheel off, we can go ahead and open the hub adapter. Now for the best part, we're gonna open the steering wheel up. Here's the steering wheel itself. It's got this little Momo like leather tag on it. It's the Momo Prototipo. I didn't want any of the yellow stitching. I didn't want the black here. I just wanted the silver with the black because I thought it would match with the brown and tan best. This steering wheel is not that cheap, I will say, but it is totally worth it. And thank you to my girlfriend who actually bought this for me so I wouldn't have to. I just put the steering wheel on the hub, and now it's time to put the hub and the steering wheel on the car. Just got the wheel installed, and I just put the battery back on, and now it's time for the reveal. So the new wheel is on, the horn button works. Let me know what you guys think. I am gonna get the Porsche logo horn button here, just because I think it'll match better. Steering wheel is all said and done though. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments.